Guys, welcome back. Today, we're building the ultimate high-rise jungle treehouse, 30 meters up.
In the jungle.
My architectural genius, right here. Yeti just doesn't appreciate cutting-edge, organic design, you know.
Who needs fancy ropes when you have raw Bigfoot agility? This is just my warm-up, obviously. Perfect! A little to the left, Yeti. See? It's all about the leadership, not just the lifting. Look at this progress. Mostly my strategic oversight, of course. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Whoa! Check out this view. Top of the world, baby. Definitely worth the climb.
Just a little stability test, folks. See? Solid as a rock, mostly. Totally alien-proof, I bet.
Did you hear that? Sounds like a very confused giant mosquito? Or maybe a cosmic hairdryer.
Okay, that's definitely not a cloud. That's a very precise hole in the sky. And it's getting bigger.
Oh, no. That is not a bird. Or a really big drone.
Gotta get this on camera. Proof. This is gonna break the internet if we survive.
Sending out scouts. And they look less friendly than actual scouts.
Hey, mind your own business, buddy. No trespassing. This is private property. Wait, what's that below us? Are we doing a 2-for-1 attack today?
Okay, this is officially worse than a bad hair day. We're surrounded, guys.
They're attacking my fort! My beautiful, supposedly alien-proof fort! This is rude.
And now the ground attack begins. This is just unfair. 2 versus 2 million.
Take that, you beast! You want this treehouse? You gotta go through me. And my stick.
Bigfoot, forget the stick. New plan. Extreme aerial escape. Geronimo. This is either genius or completely insane. Probably both.
Whoa! That was a little too close for comfort. My fur's standing on end.
My beautiful destroyed fort!
This is not how I pictured our epic treehouse vlog ending. More like an epic run for our lives.
Thank you for watching. We'll be back, aliens and monsters. Next time, we're building an interstellar treehouse. Much better security.